In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to mirror your iPhone device in here into your MacBook device, and the coolest part is that you do not need a physical cable. This is all wirelessly, and you can actually navigate or simply use your iPhone device here from your MacBook. As you can see, I'm now using my iPhone device in here, using my trackpad in here to navigate into my iPhone device in here, and I can pretty much do anything I wish to do here by remotely accessing my phone through Wi-Fi. Trust me, this is super cool and super easy to set up. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks and fixes as well. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, jumping straight into today's tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you two different ways on how you can actually mirror your iPhone into your MacBook device. I'm going to show you two different ways because the very first way, which is this one where you can remotely access your phone, you need a much advanced operating system on your MacBook device, which means you need to have a recent MacBook as well as a recent device running iOS 18 or later. If you have a very old device, this might not work for you, and if it doesn't, do not worry, simply follow the second method that I'm gonna be showing it to you in today's video. First things first, let me quickly close this. Now, here on your phone, for example, I've gotten here my iPhone 16 Pro, hop into settings, and then simply scroll down here and tap here on general, right? So once you're here on general, you want to make sure you tap here on software update in order to see which software you're running. You want to make sure that you are running iOS 18, okay? You need to have minimum iOS 18 in order to benefit from this feature right here, which is a recent feature here launched by Apple themselves. So once you're running iOS 18 here on your phone, you can then close this, bring down your phone, and then simply double check which operating system you've got in here on your MacBook device. In order to check your operating system on your MacBook device, simply go to the top left corner. We've got over there an Apple icon, tap on it, and then tap on About This Mac. Now, as you can see in here, I'm running macOS Sequoia, and you need to have macOS Sequoia software on your device. If you do not have macOS Sequoia, simply try updating your operating system here on your MacBook by hopping into settings and then tapping on software update. This is how it goes. Simply close this, tap on Apple logo once again, and then tap here on system settings, right? So once you're here on system settings, you want to make sure you tap here on general, and then you want to make sure you tap here on software update and search for updates. If you find any update, make sure you update your MacBook to the latest version, the latest, the best, right? So once you're done updating your software, we can then proceed with this tutorial in here. Now, first things first, you need to turn on your Bluetooth and your Wi-Fi here on your MacBook device, okay? In my case, it's already on here. If I tap here in the control center, as you can see, we've got my Wi-Fi and my Bluetooth already enabled, right? This is the very first step in here. Now, once this is done, you want to make sure we do the same here on our iPhone device by bringing down the control center and making sure that the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth options are all turned on in here. Now, once this is done, simply unlock your device and then keep it aside while unlocked. Okay. Now, next up, we're going to be opening up the Launchpad by tapping here in the inferior left corner, and then we'll be searching for iPhone mirroring. Okay. If you're unable to find it, simply search it. Type iPhone, iPhone, okay, and you'll be able to see this app which says iPhone mirroring. This is an inbuilt app that comes with the macOS Sequoia operating system that allows you to mirror your device into your MacBook device. Make sure that your device is unlocked, do not forget it, and then simply tap here once in order to launch the iPhone mirroring app. So once you're here, you'll be able to see an option which says your iPhone on your Mac, and then tap on continue to access it. Okay, so we'll be going through this wizard in here. Simply tap on continue. Next up, it's going to ask you to unlock your phone. Unlock it. It's asking me for my passcode. It's not asking me for my Face ID. It needs to be my passcode. Let me quickly type it in. Here we go, just typed in my password, and then we've got in here an option which asks us to allow notifications from the iPhone. Simply tap on allow, so the notifications you receive on your phone will be sent straight here into your MacBook device. Here we go, iPhone mirroring is ready to use. You're all set. When your iPhone is nearby, you can seamlessly use your iPhone straight from the desktop. So simply tap here on Get Started, and then you need to unlock your device with the password or Touch ID, okay? Means your MacBook device. Here we go. Let me quickly tap in my finger, and then you need to lock your device and you'll be able to navigate from your computer right here, as you can see. Let me quickly zoom a bit. Simply tap here on Authenticate automatically, so you do not need to always re-authenticate whenever you want to access your device in here. Now you need to type in the password of your laptop, tap on enter, and you're good to go. Now, the cool part about this is that you can actually close and reopen iPhone mirroring app. For example, I'm gonna quickly quit the app, and then let's say that I simply decide to use my phone. Okay, tap on iPhone mirroring. This will immediately connect to your device and you'll be able to use your device from here. As you can see, I can easily navigate by using my trackpad in here, going left, going right. Okay, I can open up settings, for example, on my phone. As I showed you, I ended up opening settings on my software update page, and then I can go, for example, back. I can go back again. I can tap here to go to my main homepage, okay? And then you've got in here the option to actually bring up all the opened apps, okay? And then I can simply scroll up and close that specific app. Okay, I can pretty much do anything. I can open up photos, I can go into my Instagram account, I can navigate, I can go into my browser, and I can do pretty much anything as if I am using my iPhone here from my MacBook device. This is super easy in situations where you're actually working and you want to be more productive. You do not want to touch your phone, it's connected to the charge or something. You can access it remotely. Now, if you do not have macOS Sequoia or iOS 18, I'm going to show you a different way on how you can do this. Now, let me quickly close iPhone mirroring in here. Here we go. Let me disconnect everything, and I've got my phone in here. Okay, so what we're going to be doing in here is we're going to be connecting our device into our MacBook through a USB wiring cable. So in my case, since I've got in here iPhone 16, we've got the Type-C cables in here, and it's not Lightning anymore. Now, if you've got Lightning, you can actually connect Lightning into your device, whichever cable you've got, right? So in my case, let me quickly connect it into my iPhone device. Next up, I'm going to connect the other end into my MacBook device in here. Here we go, it's now connected. Make sure you unlock it, and if it asks you whether you want to trust or not, simply tap on trust if it's the first time connecting into your MacBook device. Now, once this is done, we're going to keep this aside, and then here on our MacBook, we're going to hop into QuickTime. We're going to open up QuickTime application, which is an inbuilt app which comes with your MacBook device. If you're unable to find QuickTime, you can simply open up App Store and download QuickTime Player, okay? So this is how we're gonna open up QuickTime. Simply open up Launchpad once again, and then search for QuickTime, okay? So it's Q-U-I-C, and you'll be able to see QuickTime Player, which is this app right here. Simply open up this software real quick, and once you tap on it, you won't be able to see anything opening up. Do not worry, simply give a look here at the top left corner, and it should say QuickTime Player over here, okay? If it doesn't show up, simply do it again, open up the Launchpad, search for QuickTime, tap once on it. Now, once you've got QuickTime opened, simply tap here on File and then tap on New Movie Recording. It's the very first option in here. Tap once on it and you'll be able to see an image representation of yourself here from the webcam, okay? This is the very first step in here because by default, it uses your webcam. Next up, what you're going to be doing in here is very simple. You'll have to simply tap here on this little arrow down here, and then you want to change the source of image, the image source. So once you have your device already connected, you'll be able to see an option here below screen which says Shack or whichever is the name of your iPhone device. In my case, it's here under screen. Let me just zoom it a bit. As you can see here below screen, you've got an option which says Shack. Simply tap once on Shack, and then your device should be projected into your MacBook device. As you can see, this is my iPhone in here. Now, if it doesn't show anything, make sure you unlock your iPhone device before proceeding with this step, okay? So it's asking me if I'm connecting a device. Let me tap on other device, and here we go. I've got my phone mirrored into my MacBook device, and pretty much anything that I'll be doing will be actually projected here into my MacBook device, and you can actually do a lot of presentations. For example, if you wish to connect your MacBook into a secondary projector or monitor, anything you'll be doing here will be projected and it's going to show up here on your device. This is how easy it is to mirror your iPhone device into your MacBook device. But do not forget, the second method is through a cable, and if you disconnect it, it's going to automatically disconnect everything. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video. If you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know in the comments section if you've got any doubts so I can get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.